All right, so we're gonna replace this front door. A little while ago, I put this nasty dent in the door off-roading, and so we're gonna replace it. See how it looks. I got a replacement from a salvage yard, pretty inexpensive. So first thing we gotta do is take off this, and now there's one bolt under here. Hopefully the rock sliders aren't in the way. I've kind of forgotten, but we'll see what happens. Okay, so this has 5 10mm bolts up top. There's another bolt for 2002 and younger, but those for the 03 and 04, there's no bolt there. There's 3 10mm on the jamb. You've got 3 25 Torx coming up from here, holding on to the wheel well. Unloop this. There is a last one that's right around here that goes down. I believe it was probably right here. I think that went away when I installed the rock sliders. So the reason I did that is to get access to these bolts on the hinge. So might as well do it now. I'm gonna have to take it off anyway. So not too hard. All right, so we got a screw here, one here, then 2 down here. Little tip, magnetize your screwdriver. This is a stud finder. It's got some strong magnets. But magnetize your screwdriver, and when you're removing and installing the screws, a lot easier to get into those spots. All right, there's actually 7 screws. I find it easier if you took that little trim off first and actually put it on last. Then I'm going to take off this little rubber piece and 8mm screws here to remove the window. All right, I think we're going to take the window, the regulator off, then we'll take the frame off. That'll allow us to take the window out, and even though you can take this off without removing all that, everything will be out of the way, so it'll be a little easier. Everything plugged in, and then you've got access to these 2 bolts. You just lower the window regulator down. After that, you can release all the bolts, and then just take the window regulator out. All right, so we got the frame out. The frame is held in by a 30 Torx short screw right here, a long 30 right here, a 13, let's see, here, and then there's a 10, let's see, right here, and then over here, there's another 10 inside the door. And it just comes on out. I did have the glass taped, and then I took the tape off just so it's not fighting gravity, so it doesn't break. All right, so I got all the lock handles all done, window frame. Pop this out, the release. I've gotten all the wiring through, so now it's just the bolts. 13mm bolts. Now I've got access to them right here. I'm sorry, I'm not the best camera person. All right, so we're halfway through the project. Got the door off, so let's put it all back together. Just the 3 bolts. Now you could probably say take the other bolt, the bolts off the hinge, the door. I don't know which way is probably easier, but this is the way I did it. Okay, so we got the door on the hinges. I did the top 2 bolts for each hinge first while someone was holding the door, and then did the middle one afterwards. I'm sure I'll have to make an adjustment, but it's fine now. Put in the lock, put in this first, attach the internal handle, and then you can do the outer handle. Boy, that is so much easier without the window railing and everything being there. So if you've ever replaced the door lock or or this mechanism, boy, it's a lot easier. All right, so we got the window back in, got it plugged in. So we need to run these lines, put the center in. We'll do the mirror. Got this little trim piece put in. Got the door stop. That was a little difficult to put in, but we got that done.